Hello! Are we ready for our BarkBox? This is Coconut's first BarkBox. Here is the... Oh, they're already excited. Oh, that's so cute! That's adorable. So as soon as you open the box, here I should probably make it where we can see the puppies. All three of them. Okay. So, as soon as we open the box, you will see that it has Scooby-Doo, and I guess it's for their new movie coming out. So the first thing in the box is the mystery machine. That's really cute. Hey, are we really doing this again? Oh, there we go! Yes, good girls. It's always a fight between these two. Yeah. Okay, sit. Sit.
Oh, we'll get the third one.
Oh, no!
Oh, no.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Cut it off before you got their attention.
I know. That's okay. I'm glad they're excited, right? Instead of me spending this money. Oh my god. And then being like, what is that? Okay. Oh my god. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, Coconut's still the only toy. Coconut's still the only toy.
Hold on, baby.
Oh, Cookie's going for the boy.
I think they're finally starting to get the concept. So here's the other toy. It's Scooby-Doo. That is so cute. And then Cookie's finding things in there. We'll get there. Oh my god. Here's the toy. Let me get the... Hold on. I know. Scoob. Yes. Here's Scoob. You can have him. That's really cute. Oh, now Coconut wants to be a part of the gang. Okay. The next thing that was in the box that Cookie found was this Scooby Snacks peanut butter recipe dog treat. This is their chew. They're not going to get it now because obviously it would be a very horrible mess.
It would be a war zone.
It would be.
It already is.
Yes. Look, Coconut. All right, and the next thing, Cookie, these are your favorite. We got some Scooby Snacks. Yum, 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 yum. And then there's just Coconut in the background. You can't even see her. Just chewing the toys. Thanks, Coconut. At least one of them appreciates the toys. So here are the Scooby Snacks. Duck recipe dog treats with apple and cranberries. Yummy.
Fancy.
I know. I like the packaging. It's really sweet. And then the other one, more Scooby Snacks pork recipe dog treats with pumpkin.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Cookie.
yes, Cookie, I know. This is Cookie's favorite part of the box. All right, who wants it? Coconut, do you want a snack? Here, come here. You guys want a snack? I don't think Coconut understands yet. Bella, you're such a pretty princess. I can't open it. There we go. That's not the snack. That's not the snack. Ooh, this smells good. All right, Bella, you've been a princess this entire time. Go ahead and eat your Scooby snack. I'll give it to you. Coconut, you're gonna get a smidge. Come here. You're only gonna get a smidge. There you go. Back up. Do we like that one? Was that good? Yeah, we like their Scooby snacks? Yummy! All right, let's do the other ones. There you go. Okay, there we go. That worked. Yay! Was that fun?
Did you give Cookie one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Just suck it down.
Cookie just doesn't breathe when it happens. Look how adorable that is. No, Cookie, there's no more snacks. Good. I'm glad they like it.
Oh, Scooby. Oh, poor Scooby.
Good job, Bella. Here you go. Can you like Coconut? That's what it is. Good girls. Yes, Bella, yes. you can take it. And I will say the last BarkBox was pretty good.
Yeah.
The treats lasted a while. The toys did a pretty good job. They're high quality toys, and the chew, well, because Cookie's a shark, it was gone in minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of our BarkBox May 2020.
Yeah.
Yep, that's our second BarkBox. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what your favorite toy was inside of the BarkBox. And I will see you all in the next video.
And now coconut stream on the box.
Oh, that's cute right there.